guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be opening up this letter/package to show you guys some free sample mica powders that I got sent from Stardust Micas. Thank you so much, Shane, for sending me these. I'm super excited to try them. Then a little later in the video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways in how I use these mica powders with the resin. If you're new to my channel and enjoy resin crafting just as much as I do, then definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming resin crafting videos. So the mica powders that really caught my attention was the neon color set, and I was lucky enough to have the option to choose which ones I wanted. So, ooh, that yellow, oh, I just got a sneak peek and the yellow is so vibrant, wow. So these are all the colors in the neon set. That yellow is, the yellow and the orange is really nice, like, I don't know. It's really speaking to me right now. He also sent me one more sample of their shimmery metallic set, and this one's called Blue Ice. And apparently these mica powders are safe to put on your face and your eyes, so you can use this as makeup as well. So imagine this yellow on your eyes. Oh my god, I'm not good at makeup, but that would look really awesome. What about the orange? Okay, so now that I've showed you guys all the samples, I'm gonna quickly go get changed so I don't get resin on my poutine shirt. I love this shirt too much. And I'll be back and I will show you guys how I put these pigments into epoxy resin. The first way I mixed the mica powder with the resin was just simply scooping some directly into the resin. The next way was I used a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Here I'm using 99% rubbing alcohol to dissolve the mica powder first, and then I poured it into the resin. As for the last way I mixed the micas with the resin was I used a small paintbrush and dusted it onto the mold and then poured the resin on top. So out of the 3 ways that I mixed these micas with the resin, methods 2 and 3 had the best results. Method 1 is the most convenient, but I don't know if you guys could tell, as I was mixing it into the resin, it started to clump up, and then later I had to fish out those clumpy bits out. And even now that it's cured, you can still see some of that mica residue. Overall, I'm really happy with how my pieces turned out, and I would definitely recommend these mica powders. If you guys are interested in finding out more about Stardust Micas, I will leave all the links down below. And if you guys want to check out more of my videos, go ahead and check these 2 out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!